here's how to diamond lace Adidas Campus. Begin by taking your lace and we're going to feed each lace end up into the very bottom eyelets on either side of the shoe from underneath. So bring one through there. Bring the other lace end up through the very bottom eyelet on this side. And then you just want to pull those laces through, make sure there's no twists, and take a minute to ensure your lace ends are of equal length. Then we're going to keep a hold of this lace, and what we're going to do is we're going to bring it over the sneaker tongue, but we're going to skip the second eyelet up from the bottom, and instead we're going to go down into the third eyelet up from the bottom from above, just like this, leaving this hole empty. Then we're going to swap back to the other lace, and we're going to do the same on the other side. We're going to skip this second eyelet up from the bottom, and instead we're going to take the lace end down into the third eyelet up from the bottom instead. Pull it through until your laces make a little X like this. Looking good. Then keep a hold of this lace and we're going to feed it underneath the little X here and up through that empty eyelet that we left from underneath. So just pull it through like this. And we're going to do the same on the other side. Feed the lace end underneath this little X and up into that empty eyelet from underneath. Now remember, you can play this video on a half speed or pause it as much as you want. It's so chill, there's literally no rush. Just take it at your own pace. Then we're going to keep a hold of this lace and we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to skip the eyelet here on this side and we're going to go into the one above it, always leaving one eyelet empty. Swap back to the other lace and do the same on this side. Skip the next available eyelet and instead take the lace end down into the one above it. Awesome. Keep hold of this lace, go underneath and up through that empty eyelet, just like we did before. Do the same with the other lace. Take it underneath the X here, up into that empty eyelet from underneath. Looking good. Then we're going to finish off the pattern by swapping back to this lace, and we're not going to skip an eyelet this time. Instead, we're going to bring the lace over the sneaker tongue and down into the next available empty eyelet. Just like this. Pop it out the way, swap back to the other one and do the exact same. Bring it over and down into the next available eyelet from above, pulling it through. And you'll see we have our diamond pattern here. Just take a minute to adjust it and make sure it's all looking fresh and there's lots of straight lines. And then what we do with these excess laces is literally just tie them in a loose bow like this to keep them together, and then just tuck that behind and underneath the sneaker tongue. Now these laces are super soft. You should be able to slip your foot in and out of the shoe, and the laces being in there won't bother your foot at all. Repeat on the other shoe and you'll have a really awesome pair of diamond lace Adidas Campus. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people, and consider subscribing for more sneaker lacing content. I have loads of videos available to inspire you guys. Thanks!